Looking for a Pinterest keyword tool? Look, I got the perfect tool for you guys to get you started for your business. Stay tuned for the next few minutes and I'm going to show you a simple method to get your Pinterest account set up and organized quickly. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, I want to show you a method to kind of set your Pinterest account up and get going, guys. I'm talking about really start getting some traffic to your account, and you may not even have whatever platform that you're gonna market to. Like, you might have a idea for a blog and you've got your structure ready, but you're not ready to post content to it, but you can at least get your Pinterest account set up so you can start getting some traffic to it. You can get traffic to your Pinterest account using other people's pins. You don't have to go overboard with it, but if you go ahead and get your Pinterest account set up, and if you know this is your niche, well, once you get your Pinterest account set up, you know what kind of content you need to start getting prepared for. And I'm just going to show you a method tonight that you can do this. All right. What we're going to do, just to keep time constraint, we're going to go with the credit card niche. And I'm going to go with, let's go credit card debt. All right. You see all of those keywords there. What you're going to do is you're going to research and see if any of these keywords in those titles are something that maybe you want to use in your niche. And like I've told y'all previously before, I have these tools that don't cost you nothing that you could get an app for, and I'll have the link below. And I'm going to show you how to gather all of this information and sort it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get all these keywords. Tell you this, guys, I've already went ahead and done it to cut the video down so you won't stay on this video so long. Here are all the keywords that I have, and what I done is you just use this keyword and I copied all of them. Okay, now I already have it printed, because what they do, they put it and they put a comma behind and you have to separate it. So what I would do is, with these keywords, you kind of go through it and see, hey, does this fit what I'm trying to do? And this is the best way to do it, guys. All right. I got a spreadsheet open, and what I'll do is I'll kind of center it and I'll move it as we work. Let's go credit card debt. So we'll do that. All right. That'll be our center focus keyword. All right. And eventually we will make this a lot bigger. We can do this. Let's make it a little bit bigger so it can be a lot visible to the eye. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. All right. Now we have credit card debt. Now, what this is, to get you guys to understand, because we're using this spreadsheet so you can grasp what's going on, we're going niche specific. This particular Pinterest account just going to be totally focused on credit card debt. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our Pinterest account, and you see where we got all these keywords here. Now what we're going to do is, we didn't want to do that. We're going to go to the list that I've already got created. And guys, this is just actual, we're sitting here just kind of throwing around things you can do. So just do it in the description of what you want. Let's just use this keyword. Let's go right here. Let's go credit card payoff. All right. And this is kind of structuring. We're going to put this keyword right here. All right. Now I want you guys to get the visual on this. This is the actual what you're going to title your Pinterest account. These are the boards that you're going to put. These keywords right here, they're boards, guys. And let's go to the next board. Let's say if you want to use this for your board, let's come here. We're going to put that one here. You see my point? We're coming across here. Here's your boards right here. We'll go board. I don't know why I want. Yeah, these are boards, guys. You're setting up a structure for your Pinterest account before you even get started. And we'll go one more keyword, and you getting it. You getting the drift. And we'll go here. You know what we'll do? Let's do this one. Because if you do the printables, guys, you will have to have those printables. That's what would make that work. And let's do that like this, okay? All right, and we're gonna make this board. All right. Now look at that. Now what you want to do is these are your main keywords that you want to try to create articles of. Then what you're going to do is we're going to take this keyword, and I have both of the links to these apps below, and we're going to use another app, and I have displayed this in another video, but you can download that. Now we're going to open up keyword to search. All right, and let's do this, guys. Credit card payoff death, and let's just search. Now guys, this is what's going on. While we took this particular board name, what we're doing is we're trying to create some more keywords that are relatable. You see, credit card debt payoff. What we're talking about, you're gonna be writing articles on what you need to do to pay off your credit card. And you might even have charts of like a spreadsheet of what it is to pay off your credit card debt quickly. So what you would do is you would take some of these keywords right here. And then this is the first thing you would do, guys. And I'm trying to show you how to be able to take one board and get about 10 more keywords that's related, where you could make 10 boards. So, you know, because Pinterest not going to want you to pin to more. If you look at your tailwind suggestion, no more than 10 boards related to a topic. So what you do is you come in and you CSV these, you know. And let's open this up. We'll just have two open. And here we go. That's title, but we'll go keywords right here. And I'm not sorting between these guys, but I'm just showing you how you do this. And then you bring this down. I don't know how many we did. We go paste it in. Here we go, guys. Now what you've done is, here's your board. This goes up into the board category. This goes for the first board. Now you got related boards, and we're just doing this as a training. Some of these categories or some of these keywords may not fit what you're doing, so you take it out. You take what is not appropriate off. And here you go, guys. You got from your credit card debt, you got one board, credit card debt payoff, and then you got related boards there, because this is where you're going to post your content. But make sure you look in between, in between these keywords, and make sure what you're posting is relevant. I'm just showing you a method of how to get all this set up prior to making your Pinterest card. You can have all of this set up in a spreadsheet, so when it's time to go and make your Pinterest account and your boards, you got your keywords right there sitting there. So let's just do one more. Paying off credit card debt. Okay. And let's go to our baby here. Let's just clear that. And we'll go through here and look at it. And see, I don't know, this script here pulls these keywords from actual Pinterest, guys. So you're actually using two apps that are actually pulling data from Pinterest. So you're actually getting this from Pinterest. And you see some of those keywords are the same. You know, that was from the other one. Just kind of running through there, guys. Just kind of running through. Really running through. Just gonna close this one, guys, because we're gonna bring that other one up. And we, you know what, we can stop it and just let's come here. Okay, guys, I'm back. I am sorry about that. I accidentally just closed the Excel spreadsheet out. That's absolutely sad. Yeah, I apologize for that. It's a late night tonight, and I just wanted to kind of get this video across to you guys. Yeah, let's do this one here. Let's do the next one, guys. Let's do this one, and we'll bring it across here and consolidated credit card debt. That's another board. Yeah, this is getting everything set up, guys, so you could be ready when it comes time to create all your boards. Let's go back to our tool and let's clear. And sometime it may not pull that. See, consolidated credit card debt. See, this keyword may be already long tail enough, so you may not be able to get it from a free tool. We probably can get it from a paid tool. And the reason why I do paid tools, because sometimes you can go ahead and get keywords that are out there, but you can use it for the actual. You can use it for the actual search engine. Let's do this, and that's the. Sometimes it don't pull. Let's take a look at this keyword here. Okay, we had a few here. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes the longer tail keywords, sometimes Pinterest don't pull it, but you can get those longer tail keywords from paid tools, because those paid tools are searching not just only within Pinterest, it's searching the World Wide Web, because there are pins that are out there that are rank higher than blog posts, guys. That's why you have to have the mindset of, when you are doing keyword research, you're doing keyword research for when you first start out a broad topic, and then you break your broad topic down to mid-range, and then you take it on down to a long tail. The long tail can get you some traffic through the search engine, guys. I'm just telling you. And we changed, I forgot to say, we changed our keywords too. We will go ahead and place it there. We'll do this. But we changed keywords. Let's go back to the keyword we changed to. Okay. Guys, you starting to get the idea? But yeah, like I said, certain keywords that well, let's just look, pay down, credit card debt. Let's see if that's in there, because this particular app is pulling straight from Pinterest. So, but I'm just trying to make sure you're aware of these tools that are out here, and you can kind of get started without even investing in money into a keyword tool. But eventually, when you want to take your game to another level, you're gonna need a paid tool, guys. So, and I have a couple of videos already on the channel for that. Let's just go ahead and stop this. And did we fit that category? We hadn't even put the new category in. We got to put that category in real quick. There we go. And now we'll get those keywords. Yeah. Okay. You see that, guys? You see how I done that? That is setting up my boards. What we're doing is we set up boards, a main board, and we kind of went in and these may not be accurate. I'm just showing you what you can do. You go in and you select the boards that are related to this main keyword that you first started out with. And when you start creating your content, you already have your board set up for when you create your content. All you got to do is start pinning, guys. That's what you need to do, to go ahead and start pinning. Yeah, that's what you want to do. And this is just a nice little strategy to go ahead and set yourself, up for your boards, guys, and have it already set up for you guys. Yeah, I didn't make this video to be long. I just wanted you to see this, guys. And I know I've been doing a lot of videos on keyword research. Man, I'm telling you, and I know I've said this in the previous video, man, if you don't get this one right here, your business goes out the door, guys. So you got to get this keyword research down. So go ahead, guys, create a Pinterest account, a business account, just business.pinterest.com. Just create your account. Go ahead and get stuff started. You may not even have the blog, but go ahead and get that account started so you can start getting some traffic to it. You'll get traffic to it from somebody else's pin, but at least you'll start getting people who start to follow you. And when they start following you and then you get your blog and whatever you want to promote to it, man, you start placing it in and then your traffic will automatically start coming. So guys, I hope this video was great to you. Make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And guys, take care of yourself, stay corona free, and I'll see you the next time. Be blessed.